Is how to use the website Khan Academy. Now they also have this in an app for your cell phone or mainly your iPhone or iPad. So the cool thing about Khan Academy is it has all of these different ways that you can use it. So today I'm going to show you guys how to use it as a learner and as a teacher. Now when you first log onto the website, this is the page that you will come to. Now I already have an account, so what I'm going to do is click login, continue with Google. And here we go. Now, what we will do is we will go to Learner Home. Okay, so I'm first going to show you guys how to do this as a student. Now, when you first log in, it's going to ask you what classes you're in and what classes you need help with. Now, I've already done this on my own account for the classes that I'm in. So I am going to do differential equations today. So when you click all these classes, these little sections will pop up here. Now, when you need help on a particular thing in a particular class, you can go to the class that you're in. So let's say my differential equations class, I can go here. Here are all the different subsections that I can get help on. So let's say I'm struggling with slope fields. I have multiple videos and different practice assignments that I can use to help me get better at slope fields. Now, the cool thing about this is that, I guess this one doesn't have it, most sections have like a quiz at the end of each section. So the cool thing about that is if you're preparing for a test or an exam, you can go to the quiz section and test yourself to see how you'll do on your next upcoming exam. So let's see if this one has it. Yeah, right here. Start quiz section. You can do the quiz, see how well you do, and then continue on from there. Now, Khan Academy is also a really good resource for teachers. Now let's go to our teacher dashboard. So I have already created a class, but what you would do is you would create an account as a teacher, put your username and password in, and then you would create a class based on the class options that they have, which are all of these. Now the same thing goes for learners, is these are all of the options that they have for any type of help that you need for your classes. So you select one of those classes that you're going to teach, and this pops up right here. The cool thing about this is you can also run multiple classes using this. Say you teach 3 math classes or 3 history classes that are all the same. You can assign all of the classes the same amount of work and the same type of work if you want to. So we'll go here. Now, to start off, we will go with assignments. Now, anytime you want to assign a particular unit, you will go to the unit that is given, like this. This is limits and continuity. You can pick whatever one of these that you want to assign. So let's say for my class, I want to assign defining limits and using limit notation. That means that I would assign the limits intro article, and the limits intro exercise. Now, if you don't want to do one of the particular ones of these, you just don't have to check it off. But let's say I want to assign all of these. I go to this little button right here and click assign 3. I would be able to pick the class, whichever class you want it to be. I would be able to click the students that are assigned to it. And then I will also be able to click the due date and time. Now, for my class, I currently don't have any students in it, but when you first log into Khan Academy, the way that you would add your students is through this code right here. Now what you can do is you can go share class code, they can click on this link right here, or what you can also do is have them type in this code right here when they go to the Khan Academy accounts. Now once you have students, their names will all pop up here with their emails, and when they do the assignments that you assign, their scores will come up right here. Now the really cool thing about this is you can see how each individual student performs in each exercise. So that means that you'll be able to see which students need more help on what material. Now this is really helpful for teachers who want to really individualize their teaching. And let's say one student is doing worse in a particular thing than another student, it's really easy for you to kind of pinpoint exactly what they need help with using this website. And that's basically it. That's how you use Khan Academy as a student and a teacher.